Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm going to talk about the pronunciation of matariki and also the meaning. So remembering the pronunciation is a, e, I, o, u, and if we put a break after every vowel, it makes it easier to pronounce. So we've got matariki, matariki. It's not matter because this has to have a break after it to make it ma, and the a is always pronounced that way. Matariki. And remember that this T with an A following it has got a flat sound. Ta. Matariki. You might know matariki to have the meaning little eyes, and that is one option. But if you look on the Māori Dictionary online, follow Living by the Stars with Dr. Rangi Mātāmua on Facebook, and also looking at his book Matariki, The Star of the Year, and other people are saying this as well, that it possibly refers to, as kind of a shorter version possibly, of ngā mata o te ariki tāwhirimatea. So the story about that is eyes, the eyes of the god tāwhirimatea, and there's a legend around that. So that would mean that mata here is about eyes and riki is part of ariki, and so that's possibly what it means, the eyes of tāwhirimatea. You can do a little bit of research about that yourself. But Matariki is also being the biggest star in the star cluster for Matariki, and the name of the cluster is about good health and well-being. So that's a little bit of information about the meaning. Ka kite.